Welcome back to my channel Pinnacle. In this video, I am explaining you why we need network layer, what is basic function and key challenges handling by network layer. As we know, in OSI model, network layer is third from bottom and key function of it is route packets end to end on a network through multiple hops. Consider you want to travel from Pune to Mumbai. Then, what is your requirement? You want address where you want to reach in Mumbai. It's in English or Marathi. Then, someone who can guide route, vehicle from which you want to travel, and your departure time. Same thing we want in internetworking. How to represent addresses, how to route packets, which type of service model is required means what gets sent, how fast will it go, what happens if there are failures. If we want this information, that means we are dealing with heterogeneity. Heterogeneity means Heterogeneity of services means the quality of a service may vary from one service provider to another or may vary for the same service provider at different times of the day or week. That means when we are having a heavy traffic, then my packet arrival time is a different, and in a less traffic my packet arrival is a different time. In short, all these tasks are performed by network layer, and these tasks are scheduling, addressing and routing. Most important thing, we must know that all machines are not Ethernet. Also, for security purpose and to minimize overhead in routing table, it's always better to hide type of subnet, Ethernet, token ring, FDDI, and topology of subnet, and is fulfilled by network layer only. Figure shows internetworking structure. It shows internetworking connection of multiple independent network, and it's done by router. We all are using internet in our daily life is nothing but the best example of multiple network. Before starting to learn concept related network layer, we have to understand what is structure of internet. Internet is connection of Ethernet, Wi-Fi or connection of different wired and wireless network. It also known as ad hoc interconnection of network. That's why no organized topology is possible. Every network is using vastly different technologies and link capacities of every network is different. Packet travels end to end by hopping through these different networks. Different packets may take different routes if connectionless protocols are used. Working with such networks, some common problems are detected, such as duplicate IP address when two devices attempt to share a single IP message displayed address already in use. Then IP address exhaustion, DNS problem such as network path cannot be found, IP address could not be found, DNS name does not exist, single workstation unable to connect to the network, no internet message is displayed in this condition, unable to connect to local file or printer shares, then local network is unable to connect to internet and slow internet performance. I hope now you understand importance of network layer. In next video we will study how network layer handling these problems and different solution for these problems. Happy learning. Thank you.